Hi, I'm Martin from Lazer, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Lazer Contactless Reader. This demonstration focuses on fitting the reader into a vehicle where a CANNY dongle is already connected to a battery positive. If you're looking for guidance on installing CANNY itself, setting up the CANNY app, or connecting CANNY using a smart button, we have dedicated videos for these steps on our channel, with links available in the description below. I'm here today with this Mercedes Sprinter, but this can be installed on any CANNY-supported vehicle. The first step is to remove the headlight connector. And then we need to unwrap some of the harness to expose more of the cable. So what I need to do now is identify the CAN high and the CAN low wires and match them with the CAN high and the CAN low on the reader. The CAN high wire is white and green, the CAN low wire is solid green. You can reference the CANNY app for specific instructions on wiring if you're ever unsure. Slot them over the top for either side, and then we mount those in place with cable ties. What I need to do now is connect 3 of the 4 channels to the lamp harness activation wires. Trim the cables down to the required length. Crimp them together and use heat to shrink the connector over the wire. So now the lamp loom activation wires have been connected, we can go ahead and connect our CANNY unit to the contactless reader. Reconnect the vehicle battery. Now we have everything connected, we need to set up the CANNY unit using the Lazer CANNY app. And on this vehicle, we've also used an optional smart button. Now that our CANNY and our smart button are fully set up, the last thing to do is to tidy up the cabling inside the engine bay. Hope you enjoyed our install video. For any inquiries on our CANNY with contactless reader or any other Lazer products, please visit our website, follow our socials, or speak to the team directly.